Presenting a pre-owned 2003 Subaru Baja. This four-door truck has a four-cylinder, 2-liter H4 engine, with all-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Subaru has less than 78,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 18 miles per gallon in the city and 24 miles per gallon on the highway. Ask to see the free Auto Check Vehicle History Report. Key features include moonroof, power windows, rear privacy glass, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, airbags, anti-lock brakes, power door locks, and anti-theft alarm system.